So as we continue, this is the area where Papa will plant the onions, which is in there. And then, yeah, let's go there. So remember the acacia tree that we're planning to put a tree house there? That's already that area. So it's they planted the string beans here, but it's already withered because it's already off season. Then this was where the bitter gourds plantation was before. Nagtanim sila ng ampalaya. At eto. So so doon tayo nang galing kanina, kaya ayan yung mga string beans. Tapos dito may konting tubig, bukal din. Ayan. Hanggang dito yung lupa na tinatamnan nila Papa. Pero ngayon tapos na yung talong dito. So these are eggplants, but they're already withered because it's already old. So these are the division. It's the last part of the land. So that's Uncle Jones division as well. So ayan, separate. Ay, ito yung kila Lula Anit. Ito yung kay Aji Kanyayo. Ata diretso ata. Yan ajay karayanen. Ito yung mga kanyadang Kaljomar. So yan. Doon yung acacia na gagawa ng treehouse. And before, if you remember Uncle, the Melina tree, the big one, it's right up there. We have a small nipa hut there before. So yeah. So I'm gonna go back where Mama and Papa are. We will be able to see the river. Oh, let me try to walk from this part up to the river. That's where the Kobo was before, the big Melina tree, and that's the acacia tree that we're planning to